C and D majors are commonly used in the Chinese orchestra just like G major. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple exercise to practice the C and D major scale on the Yangqin. Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Patrick and welcome to my video channel. I'm a Yangqin instrumentalist in Singapore, graduated from Central Conservatory of Music. If this is your first time here, remember to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be sharing everything you need to know regarding Yangqin performing arts, as well as music tips and live lessons that will definitely benefit you in your music journey. So stick around. The exercise is actually quite similar to the G major exercise. If you have not watched my G major exercise video, I have shared the link below in the description box. Please go and have a look as a reference for this exercise. I'm going to start with C major first, then after that we'll do D major. I'm going to set the speed to 160. Likewise, you can always start at the speed that you are comfortable with and increase bit by bit when you are getting more used to it. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so I'm going to do the D major exercise now. It is similar to the C major exercise at the speed of 160. 1, 2, 3, go. I hope you have enjoyed the video today. If you like what you watched, remember to hit the like button and share with your friends. Do not worry about the speed of 160, always start at the speed that you are comfortable with. Let me know in the comment below what is the speed that you are currently practicing with, and also let me know in the comment below if you have any question regarding this video, and I will do my best to reply you. Thank you for watching the video and I will see you in the next one.